The latest buzz around ChatGPT has caused it to go viral in the world of generative artificial intelligence since OpenAI released the text-based AI tool in November 2022. The new language processing AI has already attracted billions of dollars in funding from investors. ChatGPT is an AI neural network designed to interact in a conversational manner that is much more advanced than chatbots in the past. Its dialogue format allows follow-up questions, challenging incorrect premises, acknowledging its errors, and dismissing inappropriate questions. It can generate natural, human-sounding responses, answer complex and compound questions, write essays and stories of fiction, and generate elegant computer code. But how can you use it to make money? Today, I will tell you a few ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. But before that, if you're interested in making money in different and new ways, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below. Watch the video until the end, as there's a bonus tip waiting for you as always. So let's get started. Number 1. Start selling your freelancing services. Now, the first way to start making money with ChatGPT is to start selling your own freelancing services. There are tons of different services out there that could be outsourced with ChatGPT. For example, YouTube script writing. You could simply just go over to ChatGPT and let it do the work for you. For example, just write top 10 places to visit in 2023 and see how ChatGPT will write a complete YouTube video script for you, which you can sell to potential customers on freelancing platforms, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Upwork. And there are different kinds of niches you can go into, like product descriptions. There are many people who are charging up to $300. You can do it with ChatGPT. You can start your own copywriting gig, and as you can see, the opportunities are basically unlimited. You will have a lot of options and advantages over all of the other guys because you can complete all of your orders within minutes, so it's really convenient and easy to do. Number 2. Generate content for websites. By using ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality articles and blog posts for yourself or your clients. It will help increase traffic to the site, which will lead to more ad revenue or affiliate income. ChatGPT is also useful for writing the tidbits of an article that you might find boring, like introductions and conclusions. By using ChatGPT to generate personalized content, you can increase revenue, but it's important to have a clear strategy and target market in mind to generate content. Also, always remember to review, proofread, and edit the output generated by ChatGPT. Number 3. Write social media posts. You can use ChatGPT to generate engaging social media posts. This will help you increase the reach and engagement of your social media accounts, which will, in turn, help increase affiliate income or lead to paid partnership with brands. Number 4. Create chatbot conversations. You can use ChatGPT to generate conversations for chatbots, which you can use to engage with customers and provide customer service. That will lead to increased customer satisfaction and, in turn, increased revenue. Number 5. Create email campaigns. GPT can be used to write impressive email campaigns. You can even craft the emails from scratch, including the subject line, greeting, and closing line. It can also be used to generate personalized email content for the target audience, which can lead to better open rates and conversation rates. Number 6. Create e-commerce product listings. You can use ChatGPT to write compelling and accurate product descriptions for e-commerce websites. That can help increase sales by providing potential customers with detailed and accurate information about your product. Number 7. Content creation for online courses and tutorials. ChatGPT can be used to generate top-quality instructional content for online courses and tutorials, which will also help increase the value of your course and lead to more sales. Number 8. Content generation for books and ebooks. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content for books and ebooks, which can help you save time and increase productivity. Number 9. Content for newsletters and news summaries. Another way you can make money with ChatGPT is to generate newsletter content or news summaries that will keep the audience engaged and lead to paid subscriptions. Number 10. Translation work. ChatGPT can be used to create translations of existing content, which you can sell to businesses or individuals looking to expand their reach to multilingual audiences. With ChatGPT's ability to carry a conversation through multiple queries and generate software code, the world of NLP is slowly entering a new chapter. It has the capability to assist with a wide range of tasks, and due to its training based on a large data set of text, it can understand and produce human-like responses to a wide range of questions and requests. Some of its potential benefits include: 1. AI-generated content can help save time and increase productivity, which can be particularly useful for businesses that need to produce a high volume of content on a regular basis. 2. AI can ensure the content is consistent in tone, style, and formatting, which can be useful for maintaining a specific brand voice. 3. It can help businesses scale their content production to meet the demands of their audience, as it can be retrained with new data, producing more accurate output. Number 4. AI-generated content can be personalized to a specific target audience, with different variations of datasets, leading to more effective and relevant messaging. Number 5. Using AI to generate content can be more cost-effective in the long run, as it can be used over and over again without additional labor costs. Number 6. ChatGPT can generate new ideas and perspectives, which can help to inspire human writers and bring new perspectives to the table. ChatGPT can be very useful and resourceful in the future. The work of OpenAI is helping to advance the field of NLP in a number of exciting ways. Ultimately, these steps will pave the way for the development of more sophisticated and human-like conversational AI systems in the future. But that can come with some repercussions. When ChatGPT was asked on the OpenAI website, what would the worst possible outcome of its implementation for human employment, it replied, "The worst possible outcome of human employment of ChatGPT would be if it caused widespread unemployment and social upheaval, leading to societal collapse." Ironically, OpenAI was founded in 2015 as a non-profit by Peter Thiel, Elon Musk, and other tech investors to prevent artificial intelligence from being centralized. They did it by making their patents and research public domain. The reasoning was, if advanced AI was broadly distributed, the abuse would be less likely. But Musk left the board in 2018 over a conflict of interest with Tesla AI, and in 2019, the board changed the company to a capped for-profit, offering potential profits of 100 times to investors. Microsoft stepped in that same year and bought a $1 billion stake. The company announced it would commercially license the product. On the other hand, ChatGPT's algorithms also have many people worried. Elon Musk, one of the creators of OpenAI, was alarmed by the fact that ChatGPT refuses to answer questions on very specific subjects, in particular relating to the environment. It started with philosopher and energy expert Alex Epstein, who explained that he received a refusal from ChatGPT after asking it a question about fossil fuels. That led to Musk's reaction, who took this opportunity to warn against certain dangers linked to AI, saying there is a great danger in training AI to lie. Now, onto the bonus tip. I would recommend you guys undercharge at the start of your freelancing services with ChatGPT to get some initial sales. This will bring in more customers, and you can get some long-term commitments too. Then with time, you can adjust your prices according to the market and niche to make some good money. So that's all for today, guys. What do you think about ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new money-making techniques. Until next time.